What if I told you dessert could be ready faster than your microwave popcorn? Forget waiting for the oven. Your microwave is the secret weapon for a warm, crispy fruit dessert in minutes. Start with your favorite fruit. Apples, berries, or peaches work great. Toss them with a little sugar and cinnamon, then pop them in a microwave-safe dish. For the crisp topping, mix oats, flour, brown sugar, and a pinch of butter until crumbly. Sprinkle it over the fruit and microwave for 2 to 3 minutes until bubbly. That's it. Top with ice cream or whipped cream for the ultimate quick treat. Which fruit will you try first? Drop your favorite in the comments.